This is a brief description of my code. The title is my personal website. You can see the web pages here, about 6 of them, and then my portfolio, a brief description of myself, and my picture, and a form in case you want to get in touch down here. And then also, if you navigate through the code, if you want to know more about me, I have a brief description of my biography, and my educational background is here too. My hobbies, the projects I've done, there's a list of the projects I've done. It's an ordered list and then a table showing these projects. And then if you want to contact me, you can contact me using this. My phone number and address are there. Okay, so going through my HTML code, I use the Visual Studio Code to design this website. And then I have six web pages, one style sheet.scss and one .css. Okay, and then in my web pages, the index page is the home page. The index web page is my home page. And then in this index page, you can see that I have a link to the CSS file, and I also have a link to the Bootstrap file I used for my web page, and then a link to other web pages. As you can see here, this link here, this href, it can link you to all other web pages. And then I have the form. This is the form. This is the code for the form I used. And then for the project, I have a link to other project, the same with my index file. And then I also have an ordered list. Yeah, this is an ordered list of the projects I've executed. And then you can see the table here, 5 columns and 4 rows. So this is the table. And then my code has one CSS file, like I said. Okay, and then a readme file. You can see the readme file here. It has a brief description about my project, my website. And then you can see the SCSS file here. I had to run this file first, and then using the SCSS to the online compiler, I compiled it and converted it to CSS. I have one variable. I have a nesting and an inheritance here, which I converted using the CSS, the online converter. And then on my CSS file, you can see it here. I have this is the code I used that was linked to my website. So I have more than 6 variables here, and it's also mobile responsive. As you can see down here, you can use this code on any screen. So this is just a brief description of my code. In case you want to know more, you can reach me on my link on the form that I inputted down there on my home.